In the world of high-end flagships, there's premium, and then there's RSR. Honor just dropped the Magic 8 RSR Porsche Design, and it's not just a branding exercise. We're talking about a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 clocked at 4.6 GHz, a massive 7200 mAh battery, and a camera system that officially rivals professional rigs. Is this the most overkill phone of 2026? Let's dive in. First, the build. Honor is calling this nano-ceramic. It's microcrystalline material with a Mohs hardness of 8.5. For context, most glass screens scratch at a level 6 or 7. It's 10% lighter than last year but carries a triple durability rating, IP68, IP69, and IP69K. This thing can literally survive a high-pressure car wash. The front is protected by giant rhino glass, and it houses a 6.71-inch quad-curved LTPO OLED that hits a staggering 6,000 nits of peak brightness. It's the brightest, toughest display we've seen yet. Under the hood, it's absolute carnage. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is pushed to a 4.6 GHz ceiling. To handle that heat, Honor used a refined vapor chamber system. But the real star is the 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Why 24 GB? Honor's new Magic OS 10 is built for agentic AI. It runs autonomous agents in the background that can handle bookings and data processing while you're 120 FPS gaming. It's essentially a mobile workstation that fits in your pocket. The camera module is inspired by Porsche's Matrix headlights. The main 50-megapixel sensor uses LOFIC Tech lateral overflow integration capacitor. It gives you 110D of dynamic range. Basically, you can shoot a black car against a bright sunset and see the tire treads in the clouds perfectly. But the showstopper is the 200-megapixel periscope telephoto. It's the first phone to get a CIPA 6.5 stabilization rating. If you're a pro, there's even an optional photography kit with a 2.35x teleconverter and a physical shutter grip. It's the closest a phone has ever come to a DSLR feel. Usually, a phone this powerful dies in half a day. Not here. Honor crammed a 7,200 mAh silicon carbon battery into an 8.45mm body. That is roughly 40% more capacity than your average flagship. You're getting 120 watt wired and 80 watts wireless charging. You could easily push 2 days of heavy use on a single charge. It also features satellite connectivity for emergency messaging when you're off the grid. So the cost? It starts at $1,150 for the 16 5112GB model and $1,300 for the 24GB 1TB monster. It's expensive, it's loud, and it's incredibly powerful. If you want the absolute ceiling of mobile tech in 2026, the Magic 8 RSR is it. What do you think, is 24 GB of RAM too much or just enough? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.